Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm just going to try on and share some of my new recent spring buys with you guys. I know I have a couple different retailers. I have some new Loft pieces, J. Crew, H&M, Target, I think even some J. Crew factory pieces. So just kind of a random mix-up of some new items to my wardrobe. I also have a couple more things on the way that didn't make it in time, so I will link those down below as well. A couple Tory Burch splurges that I have been eyeing for a really long time. So I'm excited to share what I've bought recently. A lot of these are like super favorites that I can't wait to wear for spring. So if you want to see more videos like this, then give it a thumbs up and let me know your favorite outfit down in the comments below. So I actually wore this top when I was down in Florida, and this top is easily a favorite that I'm going to be wearing all throughout spring and summer. I actually think I want to pick up another color, probably the blue, but of course I was first drawn to this one. I love tees like this. It's a little more dressed up than a basic tee because it has the eyelet detail and the sleeves are really cute and frilly. This is the pink color. I would say it's a little more peachy pink for sure. Also ignore my horrible spray tan. It's been on like a week and a half and I just need to scrub it off tonight. And I'm wearing a small in the top here. It's flowy, which I personally love. Flowy tops countered with tighter fitting bottoms. I'm just more comfortable in them, and they also keep you cooler when it's really hot out. They're my personal favorite. This one's also really soft. These white jeans were featured in my Walmart try-on haul. I know a lot of you guys bought them and love them. I would say if you're in between sizes or unsure about size, I would probably size up. I'm wearing a 6 here and they fit me perfect, but I have had some of you guys say that they didn't fit, but I'm typically a 6, so I got my true size, but I've also lost a little bit of weight, like bloat. So they do come up really high and they're really stretchy and a jegging material, so comfortable. And then these wedges, you guys have seen these. I won't stop talking about them. They are my absolute favorite. They're so comfortable. The leather is really soft, and I wore these all around Florida and I was so comfortable in them. And I actually rarely wear heels. Like, I'm more of a sandal girl, but I'm going to try to be wearing wedges more just because I think they look nicer. But I have a couple sandals and flats on the way that I can't wait to get in. But if you're looking for a go-to neutral wedge, I definitely recommend this. It's been my favorite out of all of them that I purchased. I switched out my peachy pink shirt. It's no surprise, these are some of my favorite colors to wear. This one is from LOFT. It's a little bit different than their typical dressy shirts. The sleeves are really thick and pretty unique. They just have like a slit, which I actually think is pretty cool. They'd be really easy to cuff over. And then I love this tunic style neckline. It's one of my favorites. I think the dots are so cute. I'll be wearing this to work for sure. It definitely needs a tank underneath it for work, just because you can kind of see the waistline through there. So I would just wear a tank tucked into my work pants. But if I was just wearing this out on a spring, like hot spring day, I probably would just wear a nude bra underneath because I can't really see my bra, but you can see the waistline. This is a small. The arms feel slightly bigger, but I wouldn't want to size down to an extra small just because I like the flowiness of it. I don't want it to be too tight in the shoulders. So it is definitely interesting how different this top from the Loft fits. I probably would size down in this top, to be honest. I love the length. It is a little bit longer and it does have a little more length in the back, but it just fits a little big. I do love the pretty print. It's like a soft lilac color, and then it has a pretty blue and green floral on it. So I would probably switch this out for an extra small, but if you love wearing leggings to work, I would probably just get your normal size. That way it's still flowy and long enough. I'm not sure, you know, how the extra small is going to fit me, but overall this one does seem a little big. And this would also be cute if you untied the bottom and then tied it up around the waist like that. I think that would be cute as well. So I actually had a ton of you guys send me this little strawberry shirt on Instagram, which I absolutely love. You guys know me so well, but I picked this up yesterday and I love the strawberries. It's a pale pink color. I'm wearing a small. This is definitely how I dress, like if I'm running errands and it's hot outside. I love to dress it casually with some denim shorts. These were from last year from Madewell, but I will link some similar ones for you guys. So So I actually did a shop with me. I'm not sure if that's going to be up yet, but I styled this tee in the dressing room with a bright coral short, and I thought that was cute as well, but that'll be a little more dressed up. This is how I would typically wear it on the weekend. And then these shoes, you guys, they had me at hello. They were so adorable. They're little eyelet sneakers, and they have a little scallop detail. They are just the cutest things. They come in 4 colors. I'll show you guys a close-up of them. But they're actually so comfortable. They're like super squishy. The leather is so soft, so I highly recommend these. So my normal camera died, so I'm gonna try this one, but I have to be like so far away from my mirror with this lens on. So we'll see, hopefully it works. It does not have as good of a stabilizer, so I'll have to be a little more careful with this camera. So this is another basic tee that I got at J. Crew Factory. I think it's so cute because it just has like a pretty little tie detail. Definitely a lot dressier than a normal basic tee, but still really comfortable and casual. Bear with me. I really hope this is going to be okay. I'm just going to use 2 hands for now. And then I have these fun little platform sneakers on. These are definitely very trendy. Everyone's loving platform sneakers. I think they're fun to wear for errands because they're really comfortable. They're great to travel in. These run very small, so you definitely want to size up in them. I'm actually wearing, I think, a 9 or a 9.5 in these because they don't have whole sizes, which is very strange to me, but whatever. All right, so I'm back with my normal camera. My camera charged up. That just was not working for me. So back to normal. I actually met my mom for a mani and pedi, which we haven't done since my wedding in like 2016 together. So that was nice. So I actually bought this because I needed something black to wear after spray tans, and I know that sounds ridiculous, but I have one from Old Navy that I've had for years, but I just don't love the fit of it. It's just flat. It doesn't have this little roll here, which I actually really like. Just looks a little more flattering than the one I have. So I picked this one up. This is a size small. It's so comfortable. This is like my favorite type of maxi dress because I wear them when I'm traveling, just wanting to be comfortable. This one comes in 2 colors, and like I said, it is on sale, so if you want it, get it before it's sold out. And then these sandals, I have got my money's worth. I've had these for like 5 years, and they're just my go-to sandal. I probably wear these the most. I finally decided to pick up a new color. They have a pretty blush patent color, and I really like the patent better just because I find if you're wearing them to the beach, the patent is just a lot more durable. So you can see I'm obviously a trip hazard, but overall for the length of time that I've had these and how much I wear them, they are still holding up. I don't have to replace them. I just decided the blush pink color is something they never do. I think they haven't had that color for a couple years, so I had to have them. I'll link them down below. So I shared this dress over on Instagram, and this is by far one of the most popular items that I've shared. It has gotten so many clicks, and y'all love it as much as I do. So I think I actually am going to get a second color. They have a really pretty green color that I think I want to get, but of course I love the blue the most. That was like a no-brainer. I love this light blue color for spring. But this dress is so comfortable. It is like a crepe material, I think is what they call this. I actually sized down to an extra small. The review said that it ran big, so I went ahead and ordered that. I was actually nervous that it wasn't going to work, but it fits perfect, and it's a little bit longer in the back. So you can wear this now if you throw a cardigan over it. I mean, of course, unless your legs are going to be freezing, but that's how you can kind of start transitioning earlier into spring, is wearing your stuff with cardigans or like white jeans. I think it's around 46 bucks. So I'm definitely picking up another color. So in the post on Instagram, I wore this bag. I think the colors look really cool together with the little bit of snake skin. This was in my Target try-on haul, so I will link that if you're interested in seeing more. Along with this awkward arm, now the bottom half of my legs are super pale because I just got a pedicure, so they just scrubbed that all off. So we are doing great over here. But these shoes are too cute. They are from Walmart, so that's a little sneak peek as to what's coming up here soon on my channel. And one of you guys actually told me about them because of the cute little ruffle detail. So I feel like this outfit is perfect if you have a cruise coming up or a vacation. This jumpsuit is so comfortable. It's a little bit different than what I normally wear, the pant-wise. I love jumpsuits, I love rompers, but these are really flowy, but at the same time, this is so comfortable. So if you're traveling and you have to look cute right away, this would be definitely one of my picks because this feels like pajamas. This clutch I've had forever, but I'm sure I can find something fun and similar. And then I popped on some fun little tassel hoop earrings. I got this at a boutique in Savannah, so I'll look for something similar as well. Like with this look, I just wanted to be colorful and fun. Then I kept on those same ruffle shoes. Okay, so this dress is kind of a disappointment. I somehow completely missed that it was actually like a sweatshirt material. I don't know. I was expecting like a dressy, cute little frilly dress, but it's actually like completely sweatshirt material. It runs enormous. Again, I don't know if you saw my Target try on haul, but this is not cute. Like, I look so wide. Like that would be cute. That'd be a lot better than this situation. It has pockets. So if you have been eyeing this dress and you want just something to be super comfortable, say just wanted to wear, like if you're a teacher and you just want to be comfortable that day, then go for it. But kind of a disappointment. I thought this looked so cute online. This is from LOFT. I love this top. I actually almost bought it in 2 different colors because I also had a white and blue option, but I wanted to just try it out, make sure I liked it before that, and I love the fit. I think I might go back for it. So you can definitely dress this up for work, but I have it more casually here with those denim shorts, and then I threw on this little summer hat just because my hair was up and I felt like it added a more like casual vibe to it. My only complaint is I do wish it was the same pattern on the back, so it's more like a t-shirt on the back, but I feel like I like the top enough to let that slide. I normally don't like that. And then the collar is one of my favorites. It's that same little tunic-y looking collar. This one's a little lower and longer than most, and it's a little more narrow around the neck, but I really like the neckline and the pockets. So I just really like this print since it's a little bit lighter. It's almost a little more safari. I guess that's what I kind of look like right now. So I think that's cute. And then I just have on some of those tan wedges. I love the print of this dress. I honestly wasn't sure if it was going to work for me just because I didn't know if it would be too booby, but it's actually super cute. I would just wear sticky boobs with this. I will link the ones that I would wear down below. I actually have nothing on just because I'm not going to put those on just for one dress. But if you are bustier, you'll definitely have to size up, and I'm not honestly sure if it will work. It's hard to say because I couldn't tell you. But I love the fit through here and how it just kind of flows out. It's just really girly, dainty. This would be really cute. I have a bridal shower. No, I have a baby shower coming up. I think this would be cute for. So I absolutely love this print. I love gingham, especially if it's in a pretty like purpley pink color, but I'm not sure this is the most flattering fit. It's just kind of flowy. I almost look a little pregnant, but I know it's not supposed to be fitted. It's just kind of casual. This dress makes me want to book a trip to Charleston. I just feel like it's just giving me those vibes. It has a really similar neckline to the last dress, but this one is a little bit more low cut. I feel like if you have anything going on at all, this dress is probably not going to be for you. If you have nothing going on, then it's definitely going to work. I don't have a bra on with this right now. It is pretty low for me, but I feel like it's cute. Minus like the pregnancy vibe it's giving me. I'm not pregnant. Alright, so this is for all the brides to be out there. This dress would be perfect for a shower. I think it's so flattering. Of course, it's not just for brides, but I know a lot of you guys this time of year are looking for cute white dresses. I'm definitely going to do a post rounding up my favorites. But if you have some sort of event coming up, this dress is so pretty. It fits so nice. I love the fit through here and the little ruffle at the bottom, and I paired it with my favorite little bow heels, which I think are the perfect little finishing touch to this sweet little dress. And I'm wearing a small. Fits perfect all the way around. It's not too tight, but it's still very figure flattering. I love this neckline. I think it'd be really pretty with your hair up, but of course you don't have to wear it up. Mine's just kind of post Manny Aaron ponytail right now, but I think it's still cute. Definitely works. But this dress is really comfortable. It's actually stretchy. I wasn't expecting that with this material, but this dress is definitely a surprise favorite from the haul. This is the first time that I put it on, and I just think it's adorable. Those are all the newest items to my wardrobe. I have a lot of fun try on hauls coming up that I saved some items for. Okay, not some, a lot of items. I go all out with my try on hauls. So stay tuned for that. I have 3 retailers to film next weekend, so I'm really excited to see how those looks turn out. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Everything that I styled will be linked down in the description box below. And I'm also going to link the shop page over to my blog just so you can get an idea of more spring favorites and just other recent purchases that I have over there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't really